name is Valerie Gauthier. I'm assistant professor at Universidad del Rosario in Bogotá, Colombia. I'm a mathematician and I'm working in post-quantum cryptography. I'm very happy that Ildefonso invited me to this workshop of big data and be able to participate. I think it's a great opportunity to collaborate and to do more interdisciplinary work with the physicists and with the engineers.
Hi, this is Madhuri and I'm a PhD student under Professor Jalali. I'm one of the team members organizing this workshop. This workshop is actually a platform to learn all about big data and how it can be applied to all the fields ranging from communication to sensing, remote sensing, geological aspect, applied to financial, how you can apply it to biological aspect. It's all a great learning experience.
Hi, I'm Simon Rommel from the Technical University of Denmark. I've just been attending the 7th edition of the Danish Californian Workshop here at UCLA in Los Angeles. I think we had a very interesting day and a very good workshop today. We've seen, I don't know how many, 15 talks or so on a very wide variety on topics, starting from optical communications, moving through all kinds of machine learning to biophotonics, and all of them somehow related to big data and how it will shape the future of our society, of our world.
Hello, I am Sascha Preu from the Technical University Darmstadt, and I like to be here at this workshop. It's very broadband. I learned a lot about different fields of science, so thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Shiva Shahin. I'm from UCSD Department of Electrical Engineering. I'm working on optical computers or optical processors. So the final goal of the project that I'm working in is having decision making among a big load of data. So which is kind of related to the purpose of this workshop. This was a very good workshop and I really enjoyed it.
Hi, my name is Niklas Eiselt. I'm a PhD student from the DTU, but also with ADFA, and right now I'm here at the workshop, from the DTU and from the UCLA, and this is actually a great opportunity for me to do some networking. We had some really interesting talks about different topics of optical communication, but also from the medical perspective. We saw some different algorithms, and it was a great opportunity for me to get to know some people, to see some different fields, and also that in other fields the same algorithms are actually applied, which you also use for the optical communication systems.
Hello, my name is Dr. Paul Cottrell, and I'm from New York, and I'm here at the conference for photonics that was very interesting and from my perspective. I thought that the eclectic aspects of the conference helped with many researchers to understand other people's perspectives in this growing technology.
Hello, my name is Miguel Iglesias. I'm currently working for the Royal Institute of Technology in Sweden, also known as KTH. And I've come here for the 4th time, and it's been quite nice to see the evolution of the workshop. The first time I remember I was part of the organization and we were struggling getting people, and now I see it's so big and we have a competition and we got Google here and everyone. And it's been really nice to come here. It's also quite good for networking opportunities, and it's good experience.
I'm Susan Houston. I'm a professor at the University of California, Davis in a Department of Land, Air, and Water Resources where we look at environmental problems. I've always worked with remote sensing for all of my career, and so I was here interested in what other methods people were using, so I was especially interested in the physical process methods that were presented at this meeting. So my own work is working at the environmental scale and looking at more physically complex conditions because you have a bigger mixture of things, but a lot of the methods are the same. I was interested in some of the neural net and other learning algorithms people use because we've tried neural nets and genetic algorithms and other kinds of things in our work as well, and seeing how it worked in some of these studies was interesting.
Hi, I'm a professor at UCLA, and I direct an institute in quantitative and computational biosciences, and I was asked to come to this conference. I've discovered a whole new world of photonics and big data, which has been really fantastic. So I'm really hoping that next year I'll be able to bring more of my colleagues from the biosciences to attend this conference, and I think there'll be a lot of interesting collaborations. So thanks for inviting me.
My name is Anna Tatarczak and I'm a PhD student at DTU Photonics. I was attending this workshop and it was quite inspirational. I really enjoyed that combination of biophotonics, and I think I have many papers to read.
I'm Jesper from Bifrost Communication. What's been interesting for me to see here at this workshop is that big data is more than, it's really moving fast. We're developing high-end transceivers for fast internet access, and we always say that the main driver is Netflix and YouTube and things like that. But what we've seen here is that big data in Internet of Things and biotechnology is really moving fast, and they demand data capacity that is on a whole different level than anything else. And for me, that's been an eye-opener for this very nice workshop.
Hi, I'm Nino. I'm a postdoc in Professor Jalali's lab here at UCLA. I witnessed a very interesting round of sessions at the Big Data Photonics Workshop 2016, which the connecting thread between all of them was big data. So there were all kinds of interdisciplinary research fields we heard talks about, and it was very interesting to see the variety of different research topics which all have to deal with big data photonics, and I can definitely see how each different talk can motivate and help out each other, and I think it's a perfect happening, a perfect event to help these different research groups connect to each other and help each other out. So I was happy to witness that, and I'm looking forward to visiting and hearing more about these workshops and work in the future. Thank you.